Hi, welcome to Alan Chong Idea Art. Today, I will demo a SPM 2021 Art Paper 2 exam for you. I will complete all the SPM 2021 Paper 2 questions and will upload soon in this coming 2 days. Please subscribe or follow my YouTube channel. You will learn and watch my SPM art painting demonstration through here. YouTube channel. I really hope all the artwork I paint and demo, it can help you to get a high score in this exam. Now I would like to demonstrate how to paint question number 5. It's about beautiful scenery. A stone bridge across over a clean and clear river, and a lot of fish swimming under the river. Let us view the question. Sebuah jambatan batu yang telah lama menjadi penghubung antara dua kawasan. Di bawahnya mengalir air sungai. Kelihatan ikan-ikan sedang berenang. Gambarkan situasi tersebut dengan memberi penekanan kepada ruang, bentuk, jalinan, dan pencahayaan. After understanding the question, you can start to search reference. You can search photo reference from the internet, Google or book. List down what kind of element you need. After that, we start to create the good composition for our artwork. Three things always remember when you are painting in this artwork. They are form, texture, and lighting. And in this demonstration, I would like to paint the background first. I want to create overall environment mood. You really need to control the water and color acting. Make sure color and water level well balanced, not too wet or too dry. And I try to create the river in transparent field. Therefore, the object, the fish, will stand out. Form, bentuk, how to make the object 3-dimension look. It all depends from mixing the colors, developing tone. Tone values are the gradation of tone from light to dark color. Blending light and shadow is an essential technique. Will help you make the shape more 3D. Texture. The texture is one of the important techniques to make the painting more realistic. Example, stone bridge, river surface, fish, background. All this texture look and feel, it will make the painting lively. Lighting effect. In this painting, I will use few different color between objects, like stone bridge, more in gray color. River surface will be more in cool color, like blue and green. And how to make water transparent, yet can view underwater view like fish and stone. Color contrast. It will make the object stand out. It can easily get contrast from warm and cool color family. Example, the river surface from mixing light blue, dark blue and white. And this combination will create object clear and stand out. Done. The stone bridge. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. For those still not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please click it now. I will continue make a good video for you. Write down your comment. Give me your suggestion. Goodbye. See you again.